Hello teacher, my name is Peter, is my OA number 3. How many hours do you work or study every day? I study from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then I work from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. I study for 4 hours and work for 11 hours each day. What time do you go to work or to classes? I start studying at 6 a.m. and I start working at 11 a.m. What time do you finish? I finish studying at 10 a.m. and finish work at 10 p.m. What do you usually do on Saturdays and Sundays? On weekends, I relax, meet my family or friends, and study a little. Thank you, teacher.